Readers Theater Skits. So check this out. This is so cool because it involves students in reading aloud. They make and perform a skit created from their text. You can do this with or without costumes or props, but highly suggested. This combines reading practice and performing, enhances reading skills and confidence, promotes fluency and reading with expression, and it gives students an authentic audience for their work. But if you do this at home, I suggest you establish 3 roles, such as a director, which would be mom or dad or older siblings. They provide the scripts, lead rehearsals, and costumes and props, stuff like that. The actors are the students. They know the assigned parts of the script. They read with expression to become the character. And the audience is everybody else in the family who listens and watches attentively. So, Western New York, I have a great example from my very own daughter. This is her Readers Theater skit from the novel The Quantum Leap.
By Matthew Kirby. In this scene, Ben receives his first lesson in actuation from Dr. Hughes. Actuation is just like magic, but even more powerful. So let's see what happens. Ready and action!
Are you ready, Ben?
Yes.
It felt to Ben like he was on stage, with bright lights and an audience staring at him.
Okay, let's go.
Close your eyes, Ben. Now relax. Take a few deep breaths. Hold your hands out in front of you. Now picture a cloud between them, Ben. Imagine the moisture condensing out of the air.
Ben saw what he described. He turned his normal vision into science documentary animation, zooming in on atoms floating in the air around him. There was hydrogen and oxygen. He grabbed 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen and stuck them together, and he imagined others coming together too. Hundreds, thousands, millions more. Together they became a mist, then a cloud and falling water droplets. Then he opened his eyes, and a charcoal cloud churned in the air in front of him.
This is power. This is control. Right here in my hand.
All right, so just with our iron and some charcoal and a flashlight, we created a Readers Theater skit. So keep reading, keep writing, make a Readers Theater skit, but most importantly, be safe.